Did I? Is it recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Okay. Hey. Oh, we're on.
Yep.
All right. Check this out. So, today, what happened today, Kaya? I'm not gonna say it. Go ahead.
I got taken out of school, so I get no more education. And
You got taken out of school. So
and I ate pizza.
You got taken out of school, so you won't learn any education. Is that what you said? Really?
Mhm.
That's your effing highlight of the day?
Yep.
Wow. Okay, that's not what happened.
And Dad embarrassed himself in front of 4 people.
I didn't embarrass myself. Whatever. You embarrass yourself. I don't care.
Okay.
No, today, hey, I'm keeping a video diary of this whole thing. So, am I doing it right?
Yes.
I don't know. Okay, so today we were in the.
My eyeshadow looks good.
Whatever.
Look at it.
Whatever. Hey, so today we were in the last. It's called the Blue Circle. It's through the Lao Center of Fresno State. It's an entrepreneurs program.
What does that even mean?
An entrepreneur is somebody that starts their own business and wants to try to build the business up. I don't know if that's the textbook definition, but basically anybody that wants to try to own their own business and make it big, they're an entrepreneur. So, entrepreneur.
If your Wi-Fi goes out,
Banana.
it might kill you.
Dude, there's more to life than my Wi-Fi going
No,
down.
because these are trying to...
Oh my god. So, anyways, my daughter, my beautiful, loving daughter, who's sweet and caring and kind and loving when she effing wants to be, came with me today and she helped me out during the presentation.
I did. They loved me and not him, and I helped him get more points.
Wow. And she's very humble about it too.
Yep.
Wow.
I will give him the credit for being in my presence.
What happened?
I will give you the credit for being in my presence.
Oh, I was in your presence.
Uh-huh. I let you sit there next to me.
What? And then
And so
the investors liked me because of that.
Yeah, because you're next to me.
Interesting. It's good, interesting take on it. So anyways, so I'm just giving you a little video log of what's going on. So today I gave my first pitch to the people at the Lyles Center, and surprisingly it went very good. So not getting my hopes up. We're seeing where it goes. Right, Kaya?
Yeah.
And this is Kaya's going to be my executive assistant to the president.
President
Of the United States.
I'm the president.
Basically of the world. Do you?
Basically, I'm queen of the world, so.
Wow. Okay. Alright, so anyways, that's it. David Moore and daughter, over and out.